Okay, break of structure. So we obviously expect price to make a pullback so we can start selling. Now, initially from this high to this low, we'll probably see our extreme zones 88% lineup. All the way up, we should see our OTE, the 705 lineup as well. So both ways, the way I perceive it, could be potential for us to get into this position. EU, let's see what EU did today. Okay. EU, you can see price has almost tapped into the zone. Now, we didn't have a change of character as yet, but I love what I see over here. So I would see this as nice liquidity sitting over here. Oh no. So when I see EU basically break below this level, internally we want to see some sort of change of character take place, fair value gap before we can look to go long. So very, very interesting what's happening on these pairs on this Friday. Look at GU, one of our other pairs. So GU is on its own trip. Still waiting for price to trade all the way down. I can't long it from here. However, it depends as well. So if we look at the structure internally, here's our change of character. So price technically has held this pivot on a bigger time frame. And price has left us with this demand zone over here. So similar thing like we want to see on DXY and EU, but if this can do this, potentially I would take it. The only concern is the fact that we have institutional level below it, 1.25750. I'm just really scared of that, so I wouldn't necessarily want to take it from this level. So we'll be cautious around GU. Gold, let's see if gold gave us something. So gold also left without us. We had this level marked out over here this morning for the London stream, but nothing right now at this moment that I can potentially take. We'll be nice to see gold trade down very quickly, have a change of character, so we can look to basically go along. But we'll wait on that one as well. Let's look at NASDAQ. Sorry, we might have a guest here on the, we might have a little guest join us. Okay, so back to NASDAQ. So we didn't have a clean break above this level. However, I still believe that these highs are weak. However, the fact that it didn't break above these highs also could indicate that these highs could be flipping to some sort of strong level, meaning we could potentially see NASDAQ finally start having a downtrend, but we can only say once price has broken below this level. Because technically this is currently the strong low, so only once price breaks below this level can we say whether NASDAQ wants to flip bearish or not. So just keep an eye out on that. Now initially, let's look at the internal structure when price is done. We can see already, let's just remove this Asian high and low. This is the demand zone price has left us over here. So if we go to the 15-minute chart and go define that, let's just quickly mark out our Asian session. So price has swept above the highs, as you guys can see over here. So we'll just keep an eye on what price wants to do if we can potentially break below this level over here. Now initially then on the session, internally as well, if you want to look at price, you'll see that this is your 15-minute change of character. Here's your break of structure. And then here is your next break of structure. So with this break of structure will then indicate to you that, okay, we can see that here's 1, 2, 3 candles. So we'll just mark out this entire zone as a potential demand level. However, if you go to the 3-minute chart, you will then see there's fair value. So I would say just be careful, maybe mark this out as your supply zone to just accommodate that little fair value gap there and potentially see this as a double top, which means people are either at break even currently on this trade or they have stop losses slightly above that zone, and then so would like to see that line up perfectly with that level. So we'll see what happens in the next 13 minutes. So just to welcome everyone as well: Andrew, Christopher, Devin, Fabio, Dave, Yash, Dando, Vish. Welcome guys, welcome. Christopher, I'm good man, I'm good. How are you doing? How are you doing? I hope everyone else is doing good on this Friday afternoon. This is the only thing I hate about as a trader, the market closes, you know. So once I can actually get back into the synthetics, then okay, we're not even gonna look at NASDAQ because NASDAQ must first flip below this level before we can see a change of character. So maybe one of you guys can just keep an eye on that. So once it does cross, you can maybe let me know. But other than that, I wouldn't want to play around with this pair today. So yeah, technically we're looking at NASDAQ, looking for potential sells to continue this trend to the downside. However, if NASDAQ breaks above this level, then this would be our new change of character over here. And then once they break above, they'll have to trade back down, and then this might act as demand down here. So price is currently trapped within this range. Price has to basically fill the equilibrium from the high to the low and offer fair value. There's fair value gaps. So once the fair value has been offered at an equal price will then manipulate. Then we can see from there what we can expect. But gold also, I wouldn't want to sell gold. Wouldn't want to sell GU either. So yeah, we just have to patiently wait. So DXY is still playing around here. Nah, it's good if you're busy, bro. It looks good if you're busy as long as you're busy with good things. Oh, welcome, Sam. Welcome. Yeah, and Fabio, hopefully we get something nice. I would actually love to get some more gold buys. I would love to do that. If only price would play along with us. Okay, okay, I see. Yeah, I see price came back into this low, into this level, but this is a good indication. That means that we could have some buys come in. And if anything, if price does do this and breaks below this support, then most likely everyone will then look to sell gold. But then because they're already looking like they want to go for the Asian highs, in due short, then go for the highs. That would be a very ideal thing to see. Oh, welcome, Goth. Welcome, my man. Oh, Brandon's here too. Nice, man. Nice. It's good to see you guys here. Good to see you guys here. Is there anything you guys are looking at for the session? Anything you guys are looking to trade? We have to wait for price to come to our zones, but maybe we get something within the next 5 minutes. Not get something, but in the next 5 minutes, have some movement coming in. Um, yeah, so Christopher, USDT and NAS have been moving very, very different. I don't know what's up with these two pairs, but yeah, like I said, I can't take USDT. But Nasdaq looks like it's making some lower lows. However, on the and yeah, like we have this massive fair value gap all the way down here, which we're looking at. And I mean, before we can look for buys, we have to refine this. This is March is open, the monthly open. So if we can get back to this level, then potentially we might get some more longs to come in on Nasdaq, and this potentially might be that move when Nasdaq has a similar reaction as to what USDT did, where they actually go for some massive. Oh damn! Oh damn! Where they go for some massive all-time highs, basically. So Dave sees an ab roller on the on the 30 minute. Yeah, you see, this is a nice candle. I will say that this is something I struggle to trade. For instance, liquidity sweep like this. I struggle to trade these, where you have price into the zone, not at your demand supply. Then on your 15 minute, ICT says, well, yeah, ICT says any fucking fair value gap. That's what he says, not me. Now let's see how accurate that is. If you sweep the liquidity and you trade back above it and you have a change of character, so meaning this, there is that little break above, then he says any fucking fair value gap. But now obviously you want to look for the most extreme ones. So the only fair value gap I see was this one over here. So if you did take this sort of stop below, this is what? You're getting 9 pip stop. Okay, that's a bit big. That's a bit big. But I mean, if you look at how far price retraced, it only retraced 14 pips. So even if you had a rule like 20 pips, 25 pips, like I have 25 pip rule on gold, you've survived this, sort of survived this. So but yeah, I don't know how to trade that. I see have some more people coming in here. We have Simon here, nice, and we have Mr. Philly here. Okay, okay, nice, welcome guys. Fabio, bro, I love doing this. I love doing this. I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay, before I show you guys this, everyone has to promise me in the chat. Everyone has to promise me in the chat that they won't show anyone that that I've showed you guys this. And also you must promise me that you won't um go to the site, because like obviously like I requested to see the link just to see how it looks. They told me they're not done yet. They're still working on the site. Similar to Pharo Mark is still under construction and whatever the case. So I do have the link, but the thing is, I don't want us to get out there, before any. No, 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 Dave, not the 2G site, my man. It's the deal I signed with Money Dick. So I'll show it to you guys, but just don't talk this about anyone. Don't mention it on social media and stuff like that. Please promise me. I know it's in here. So it has if it comes out, it's leaked. from one of these 13 people over here. Shit. Do I have the right site? Sorry, let me just quickly find the site. I might have it wrong. Oh, that's my mistake. So this is the website. Okay, you can't currently go into the website, but come on now. Okay, very serious conversation. Very serious conversation. So, remember earlier, I think I asked on the stream if we can stream Asian session, or if I can stream Cliffstem on here, and they said no, and I asked why not, and they said because it's their thing. Then I said let the chat decide. Remember, if I'm sure some of you guys remember that, and they said no, it's their thing. So even though I'm on the streams, I love it. It's just I don't like the fact that I'm not really included. So I'm gonna start my own streams eventually, but initially this is the site. Like I said, we're waiting for everything to happen. The only thing is, even though I will be streaming on my own, it will be $10 a month to watch me stream. Think of it as Patreon, but the thing is, the reason why people pay for it is to eliminate like trolls, right? That's the first thing I want to eliminate. Then the fee you pay, obviously, for subscription is to show me that you're serious. But it's more than just streams. There's going to be a lot of things added to this, like a lot of like educational content, like a strike rate, an actual scoreboard. You guys will see my all-time pip scored, all-time losses, all-time wins, percentage gain, whatever the case. All those type of things will be able to be seen right here, transparent, everything for you guys. But like I said, it will cost some funds, $10 a month. But this $10 is not a lot of money. And initially, how I thought about it is if we do something like this, the whole plan should be that there must be one trade that we take, or 1-2 trades we take, where everyone must allocate themselves an account where they must make $10 for that month. That account must pay for your subscription. That's the goal we're going to go for. So technically, it will pay for itself. But there's also a reason why I will get paid for it, because I'm actually signing a deal with him. So also I won't lie to you and say anything like, oh, whatever the case. But I will be able to I will also be benefiting from this. And I mean, like, I have to, if I'm doing streams for free, there must be some way eventually, if I'm not working with a broker and stuff like that, because I'm not going to promote any broker if I'm doing this. Okay, I think they changed the site, so we can't do anything right now. But I wish I could have shown you. I wish I could have shown you. Unfortunately, it seems like they're really working on it. So unfortunately, now I can't go into the site and show you guys like how it will look like. But this is a glimpse of how the site looks. Looks sick, eh? This little technology effects and so forth. So basically, the whole idea is money meets technology, trading, and so forth, right? Cool idea, and yeah, just patiently waiting for that to be implemented eventually. I'm waiting for the green light and so forth. But yeah. David, no, it's not my site. Unfortunately, also, I can't say who it belongs to also, not just yet, until they make the announcement. But yeah, just something to keep in the back of your minds, that if anything happens, I have my reasons. Just remember that. I'm not an asshole. Yeah. We're still waiting in. Welcome and welcome, but we're still waiting patiently. Waiting patiently, potentially for UJ potentially. Oh damn it, what did you shoot? Yeah, bro, like yo bro, it gets hot in here sometimes. Nah, but it's also that, that content creator life, bro. Shit, Dave, fuck. Sorry, everyone. Sorry, Dave, I'm really, really sorry, bro. I'll do it now. I'll do it right now while we're waiting. Sure, man, I'm really sorry. But, Dave, here's the other problem. Mo has the pictures. Mo has the pictures. It's on his drive. No, it's just I feel bad, man, because I always tell you I'm gonna send it to you, I'm gonna send you the pictures, and I never get to it, and then I forget about it. Yes, bro, and I've been asking Mo for probably 2 weeks now for the photos, bro. I don't know, but I don't know. I don't know. Mo is his own world, bro. That man's dealing with a lot. But Dave, I might see Mo tomorrow because we might have to go gate crash this party. There's this guy coming from Joburg, he's a big time influencer. So when you go crash the event, I'm gonna tell this guy I'm gonna interview you. You're gonna come into the podcast and you're gonna say yes. So I'm gonna say something now, man. I'm gonna say something now, which is quite funny, bro. So Miles, the guy behind on the podcast, there was a picture of him on the thumbnail. That picture when Miles is like, huh, it's a cool picture, right? and Mo still didn't see this last photo. Miles just wants the photo for profile picture for WhatsApp. Look how long ago that interview take place, like a month ago. This man's still waiting for one picture of him. A picture of himself. I'm just saying, guys. It's not that hard to copy a few photos. But then again, like I said, it's the guys, it's the team I work with, so I do understand also with, especially with Mo. Mo has a lot on his plate, especially like today with them preparing the the stuff for Cape Town. Mo had to run around and so forth. So sometimes I do understand. It's not that he forgets, bro, but he obviously doesn't want to disappoint Chris, but it's also like some sort of send the photo. But then again, also I do understand the aspect of like I'm not his boss. You feel me? And look at me being healthy, drinking a 5 liter water. So I was actually in the office now, and I was looking for Coke. And there's no Coke. So I wanted to make coffee, but then I was like, I'm not gonna drink coffee in this heat. So I was like, what is this? It is, oh yeah, guys, just a quick one. I'm expecting someone. I'm not sure what time he's gonna come, but if he also comes, then I'll have to cut the stream. But I don't know when. Like I said, if he comes, it's like a hectic 50-50. And hopefully he brings me some coke. Very true, Dad. Very true. I don't know. Also, like I said, I must be in the mood to drink coffee if I want to drink coffee. I don't know. It's me and coffee have this love-hate relationship because sometimes it makes me want to poo, and that's really unexpected when you're at work when you haven't mentally prepared yourself for something like that. um, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All good, Dave. All good. Just be safe wherever you're going so that you can join in safely. But other than that, guys, how was your week? Did you guys make money this week? Anyone pass challenges? I know I did. Yeah, Monday I can officially say I'm a funded trader. And I can finally have an opinion. I can finally have an opinion on prop firm trading. How's it going, Dave? How's your phase one going? Are you down? Are you up? Are you break even? Oh, Nasdaq. Uh, Only thing is, there's nothing. However, we do have this three candle formation. But no tapping, so can't take that. If Nasdaq does something like this, if Nas can do something like this, where they can potentially sweep this low, change character, leave a fair value gap, tap into the pivot, then I might take a long on it. Um, okay. Now take it slow, Dave. Take it slow. No need to rush it. No need to rush it. So I'm assuming you're doing a 10K challenge. Okay. So you're up 1.6%. So I told myself I traded my phase one for more than a month, and then I was not even up like 5%. I made my 10% within the last 2 weeks, and I passed my phase two in 2 days. So don't rush it. Like literally, just wait. I've had moments in the office where literally I would tell Chris that, Chris, I feel like I need to trade this account. I need to trade, and I feel tempted. Then he would tell me there's no need to feel tempted. And like he would tell me, you've had this experience before, learn from it, and see from there. And then Ed, also, you, my man, You guys are the ones who've been giving me advice with the finance accounts. And also I think you were down, even worse, I think in Jan. So this is nothing, bro. This is nothing. Just a little, bump in the road. People always get over it. See what I did there? What usually trade, Dave? What usually trade? Ooh, FOMC. Yeah, FOMC is another type of movie. Don't gold, man. Don't do that. Hmm. Gold looking really interesting. Gold looking really interesting. If I can have gold go up doing this, change character, pull back, I'll take a smack at it. But maybe only up until here. Maybe here take some partials. Then a TP2 over here. As I would like to see. Market is very, very slow. Would you guys mind if I play a song by Pro Era? and by Stilo. May you soul rest in peace.
Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born. Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that. As dusk turn to dawn, I keep growing. Seeking knowledge, keep gnawing. Saying cheese without my teeth, Sean. That's right, I'm hot now. Headed to the top now. I got it on lockdown. About to hold my whole block down in Parktown. Rolling up a dub. Standing cruising. Those with my tunes got the West showing love. See my name on the bills and people showing up. To see me shit is real, cause I ain't even old enough to buy lotto tickets. But I guess my motto didn't lie. People don't understand until you really fly. Top 5 dead or alive. Thinking I fit the 5, but you gon' think I lie. Cause I ain't never hit my eyes. The ill-minded, free will signing. World domination consignment, I co-sign it. I done reached my goal, but I'm not done being a monitor. Underground climbing, they can't dig it, can't Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born. Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that. It's the Brooklyn representative, no artificial intelligence. Just thinking enlightened, ain't even take flight jet. I know you feel me, pull out your camcorders, halves and ounces, just orders. You see your change, it's just my aura. Or in time, I became a reflection of brains, cash, Mary Jane. What did I forget? Dimensions. Well, fat blunt since the age of 15. Y'all smoke toothpicks, I picked the steak out of my teeth. Bon appetit, I'd rather be homesick than homesick. Plastic cups with rubber toast and keep me posted like pics. Not budging the ball and you can't run out of here. Don't blink till you reach the top. Keep up with stairs, no competition. Y'all smoke on the regular, my way only high grades. Inhale the indica, exhale the nebula. The cipher secular, no sharing when they offer us. Falling up, that's preposterous. Pick up on your chakras, you on the right trail. Come sip that's a rock with us, no facade. I talk to myself, word to God, put your hands together, no applause. Fuck the law, digress the fall, progressive off of the rest of y'all professional. And I'm still dirty. Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta go. Before you go, you gotta be born. Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that. A couple chips for the meal. That's a lot, though, nothing but $1 bills. The more, the merrier, the richer I feel. I'm living ideal. I'm about to throw the tents on my wheels. My homies still leave you still with the steel. That's when shit get real. It all started way back in the day. Took the highway, but still wasn't trafficking weight. So fuck it, pass me the J. Cause what we happen to play against me, just know you might end up having to pay. Since I'm the champ of the game, smack down her face or just get smacked in your face. Get out of line or get put back in your place. I know it won't be fun having your back in the brace, so just watch what you happen to say. Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born. Said I can't evolution. Go back, tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that. I woke up in a dream state. This life may seem great, but it ain't. It ain't the first time I seen gray with more high grade. Purple rain for the pain. I said I hate to complain, but lately all I see is days of the same. Ways that the stays persuade me to change, but I blame it on the game, cause it made me this way. I bet it started when I played CeeLo. 4, 5, 6, then out came Stilo. A misfit, I've been addicted to the weed smoke. All the youngin' ever knew was reload the demos and steam on. Dream on, the plan to put his team on is mapped out. We gotta cross the map now. Caught a power surge, then we blacked out. I ain't tapping out unless it's blunt ashes and clouds. Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born. Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that. Before you fly, you gotta run. Before you run, you gotta walk. Before you walk, you gotta crawl. Before you crawl, you gotta be born. Said I came this far, but can't go back. Tell me how you feel, cause I really need to know that.
Looks like it's gonna leave without us. But let's hope we can still get something with indecision. Let's hope we can.
They say signs of the end is near. And I quote, we came like them niggas in boats, still think it's a joke. Your third eye vision is broke. We lifted from smoke and floating. That's how I got my aura open. Check the horoscopes though. You can say I'm horoscoping. You catch me floating on a 4-leaf clover, that's the pot of gold. So we sunning them like Maury Povich. We gon' need paternity tests, I guess. Cause the vets ain't learning it step by step. It's Beast Coast, we the murderous set. We rain fire, and I don't mean to burn us in text. You gotta love it.
And yeah, bro, people sleep on Pro Era opinion.
I guess we gotta get you covered. I'll connect him to my brother with the West Side connection, cause he say he got the best in. We got the birds like 247, so I'ma hit you back in a second, cause we already lived it. We lived it, we lived it. You dreamt it, we lived it. We lived it, we lived it. So we already lived it. We lived it, we lived it. You dreamt it, we lived it. We lived it. Said you could run, but my niggas would still erase ya. Everywhere I go, they just copy and paste us. Pace yourself, waster. You ain't like that, ain't you? Kerosene for your chaser. Waste yourself and thank your boy. Shots on me, I'm not drunk, let me explain my story. I'm not under, I'm hiding who my connect employ. So for sure, he got fire. Most thinkers take a whiff. The gracious, he never laced this shit. Take a trip to the Astros. Welcome to my land. It's your first OBE. Tell me how's your body been? Spin the wheels on the axle of my body, man. Don't waste your breath, you can't BS. We know what your body, man. Do third eye codes, your third eye closed. If Steve Jobs made you purchase a third iPhone, all seeing eyes know what I means. But 33 degrees can't make us freeze. Said they watered us down, so they forced to believe that they want us through force and greed. So I said they wanting us now, so of course they need to be wanting our force to lead. So we already they watered us down, so they forced us to believe.
Also, yeah, I can't look for buys because only once you break above this level can I look for buys. There was no clean closure on these candles.
I'm opening up my chakras, it's potent enough, I chop it. I'm pointing out all the imposters, plotting to block my commas, trying to calm us down. But it ain't happening, we mad as shit. Still managing, girl, can I bust if I got cannabis? A half a zip, could have a pants and zip. Ain't enough romantic shit, so don't be sad that if you couldn't have a kiss. I'm still a bastard kid with blackened lips. I'm still a pacifist, but if you ask for it,
Chris, it's Pro Era, so yeah, Joey Badass, Stilo, I know the other guys.
Had keys for dough, would've thought he was a super. But that's when I grew up to realize I'm in the place to be. Make vacancy, you're still an MC, they know they can see we part of the resistance. We'll fix things, persistence, we're shifting, we're drifting, we're lifting. From the split that I live, from the split that I live, from the split that I lived in hell, 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 hell.
Let me put you guys on someone. This guy's name is Busy Crook. Yeah, no, definitely. So Chris, do you know the story of Stilo? He was committed suicide. He was found jump. They found him. He jumped off a building with the Bible in his hand. Oh no, man. Yeah, it's gone. Check your God. No serious. So basically, Christopher, or Chris, what happened was all good. Ed, enjoy it. Can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. Oh yeah, Ed. I'm also gonna send you more updates in regards to the people who check out the thing using, I'll see you do that after the stream. But yeah, Chris, so basically, Stilo got very obsessed with the apocalypse. So he died in 2012, right? He got very obsessed with the apocalypse and the coming of Jesus and so forth. And then when the apocalypse was supposed to happen, it didn't happen. And then from there, like, he, this is a story we know. He jumped off a building with the Bible in his hand. But the funny thing about it is, like, the police or ambulances, they want the people to go tell his family that Steelo committed suicide. Joey Badass told his family that he committed suicide. Then there's the story behind, like, how Joey got to the fame he got because he was so with the thing of what happened with Steelo. Jay-Z also tried to suppress what actually happened. And who signed Joey first? Jay-Z. So there's a conspiracy that Joey Badass sacrificed Stilo. Yeah, sorry guys, we're just waiting for the markets. I mean, it's beyond my control. Markets are slow. Yeah, so also, okay, I don't mean to go off topic here now, but okay, so check this out. So look at Joey Badass. This is his album American Idol, or All American Badass. So notice what he has over here. He has the Bloods and Crips. You know they usually wear like these bandanas. He has the red, white, and blue of the American flag, right? But his one eye is covered, right? And we all know most the all-seeing eye is the one-eyed man. Then there's um oh man, what is the thing called now? What is the thing called now? Okay, that's his name. Sorry, I got his name wrong. So this is his album cover, I think. No man. So this is his American cover. Notice how he also covers his one eye, but he covers the opposite side of it. So this came out, this happened, and then obviously all that other things started happening. It's so interconnected. It goes back to what I said. Maybe sometimes I connect dots that shouldn't be connected. Um, but yeah, it's an evil world we live in. I will always say that. I'll be very honest. I'll be very honest. It's very scary being at the office alone. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. If you think about it, we all sacrifice something in life for something. It just depends on how far you would sacrifice what to get to attain what certain thing. I mean, a simple thing, for instance, a simple thing. We all participate in the rituals. We all participate in rituals. We don't even know it. if you think about it this way, Nick, there's a word cult. Being in a cult is so wrong, right? But what about all of us who live in a culture? We all live in a cult. Um, yes, I've also heard that story of him sacrificing his mom and things like that. But Kanye is a different subject. I don't know. I don't know how to feel about that, man. Um, what's the other thing I want to say now? Yeah, so like for instance, even like if you think about it, like if people do magic and they cast spells, what do they usually have around them? They chant and they light candles. So if it's your birthday, what do? You light candles and everyone chants happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's a ritual. This is why, like for instance, that they say if you make a wish on your birthday, or why you must make a wish on your birthday, because there's a lot of energy conjunct, con, there's a lot of energy conjunct. What's the word? Fuck, I'm so dumb now. But anyway, that word. There's a lot of energy going towards good intentions towards you. You know, this is why like birds are always special. You feel good in your birth and so forth because it's all the energy that's being put into the universe and being projected towards you. This is why you experience things. It's not just about having gifts and so forth, but if you think about even law of attraction in that sense, it's all these type of things, all interconnected and it's hectic. So patiently waiting for something here on these pairs. Nasdaq looks like it might do something. Gold also looks like it might do something. But let's wait and see. That's such a guy thing to say, Christopher. Okay, another quick one, guys. Another quick one. I know I say a lot of controversial things. A lot of people might not agree with me, but check this out quickly. Okay, so Operation Mockingbird. Project Mockingbird was a wiretapping operation initiated by the United States President John F. Kennedy to identify sources the sort of government leaks by eavesdropping on the community of journalists. But not just that. Um, you guys can read it in your own time, but initially, and look at this name, Rockefeller Commission. What does the Rockefellers have to do with the CIA? But you can go read this document. Basically, what it states is that the US signed a legal document that they are allowed to give propaganda to their people. Project Blue Book or Project Blue Beam, Chris? Project Blue Book. Um, I've never heard of Project Blue Book. US30. US30. Let's see. Okay, Nasdaq is heading to that zone. Okay, I see the bearish, but the thing is, like, it's still very far away from my zone. Project Blue Book. Oh, it's this. Okay, I see it's a TV series as well. I will definitely make a note of that. Come on, Nasdaq, don't leave without us. Give us something nice. I feel I'll definitely check it out tonight. Welcome back, Dave. Welcome back, my man. I feel so restless. Like I want to take a trade, like, but there's nothing. Let's maybe bring some vibes in, yeah. So far what I'm seeing on EU, there's a nice liquidity buildup happening over here. So most likely, if people want to buy the third bounce, that's where you get smacked. People want to see that happen. They buy there. We'll have stop losses below this level, below this level. Ah, you're lucky, man. Or something there in GJ. And it's this thing is gonna but I like this also because to me all of this over here is a nice little liquidity buildup. So what happens is based on economics, what happens is you have the consolidation, so the consolidation phase, and then you obviously also have this range over here from this low to this high. And as you can see, that's 50% more this way where it's trading at. So fair value is given now to traders, but now there is obviously fair value gaps as well. So now that's not obviously may manipulate. So killing two birds with one stone. So Giyash, I'm actually looking for buys on Nasdaq. I would sell it if price comes here. I would look for entry pattern. But if it comes down to this level, I want to see them sweep slightly below. Yeah, tapping into this box down here. And give me a similar pattern change of character for the value gap, then maybe I'll go long. Oh, sorry. So currently price is trapped within these two boxes. Yeah, looks like the song is bringing some volume for thingy. All good, Kiash, all good, my man. I'm still gonna stick around here because I have to wait for someone. So I have nothing else to do with my life. But then again, also I love being here with you guys. Awesome, Chris. Awesome. Yeah, and hopefully we get something. Hopefully we get something. This last half an hour of the session. It's still very, very possible. I mean, if we can have one 5 minute candle, two 5 minute candles, three 5 minute candles, that's just 15 minutes. Then we can get something. Let's leave this on here, this manifestation. So let's do it like this. Candles on the close, more or less something like this, potentially in the zone. Then here we have the breakout. And here will be that reversal candles in the coming for us. Let's see if we can manifest this. Uh, okay, I see what you mean, Kiyash. Yeah, nee, bro, it's like to me also that just looking for that one trade, and it's like yo, bro, like honestly, that was me Tuesday, I think. No, Wednesday, that was me. Literally just wanted to one, got it, got out there. Yeah, yes, I know that feeling. But also, when you have that, don't rush it. Don't rush it. I need to show you guys something. I'm hoping I find it. So, now I'm sitting in this chair, it reminds me of this. Just waiting to share it to myself real quick. So, for instance, I'm very short, so when I go sit, I have to move my chair up basically, so I can lifts me up basically. Now Mo has a thing when he comes to the office, he sits down, he would drop his chair and like lean back and walk like this. So check out this video. Doesn't wanna open now. That is literally Mo every day. Yeah, that's one thing though, guys. I love this job at Forward Markets because the people we work with is amazing. I love Mo to bits. That man, he always looks out for me. I look out for him, and not just that, man. To actually like your colleagues is a different thing compared to like this I've worked at. And it just goes back to like you have to find your tribe and like you shouldn't give up on your trading, especially if you have a certain goal in mind. I always live by the saying, if you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your head. So yeah, very, very what's happening? Oh, dollar's going. Dollar's going. We're manifesting here. We're manifesting here. Okay. Nice looking out there, Fabio. It's actually sitting alert, yeah. Oh, we're manifesting, yeah. We're manifesting. It's definitely the music. Definitely the music. We're gonna stick with this music moving forward for volume every day. Yeah, you know how it goes, bro. We have to update our statuses. Otherwise, it looks like you're not doing your job. Don't force it, my man. Don't force it. Yo, that's really slow. That's really slow. So Chris, it's actually a mix. It's this over here. I'll send the link in the chat. Just give me a second, guys. Make a call real quick. Okay, so that was in the one song. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Patiently waiting. Hey geeks, nothing yet. Still waiting for Nasdaq. Waiting for gold. GU nothing. EU nothing. UJ nothing. Waiting for we have our manifestation candles on here. Just waiting for price to actually hit it. Just give me a sec once again, guys. Just need to make another call real quick.
So far from the light, you make me feel so that you hold me for the night. I'm waiting for you, love.
I'm just gonna ask the same thing now. Keys, what are you looking at? Sorry about that, guys. Just a bit busy. I'm waiting for potential buys, geeks. So I'm waiting for gold to actually trade. Actually, looking for sells and potentially for buys. But if price comes to the daily pivot to S1, I will look for buys. But if price goes all the way to the daily open at 1 to 2985, that the supply zone around the Asian highs, I might look for a sell. Oh, wait, awesome, geeks. Awesome, man. Guys, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to pull the stream, yeah. I'm about to slip into that meeting. So yeah, I have to get ready quickly. Probably gonna be an hour, so won't be able to come back and stream again. But other than that, guys, nothing on the session. The market was really, really slow. We're waiting. Nothing happened, obviously. But once again, thank you for everyone joining in. Quick one before we go. Next week, I'm alone at the office, Monday till Wednesday. So I'm gonna stream morning and New York session for you guys. Tell everyone you know, everyone who trades. Let's get as many people in here as possible, and let's make some money on Monday and next week. Anything from you guys? Can you guys know anything from your side? Check you guys. And also, guys, if you're not under my mentorship program, hit me up. Let's talk. Let's clean you up. Let's get you independent as a trader and let's grow your accounts. Check you guys next week.